Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. How to draw a cartoon rainbow fish. This is going to be a fun fish. It's called a rainbow fish. I have several of these that I've been working on, and I actually made a drawing book, and this little rainbow fish is in that one. But let's begin with the basic shape. As you can see, I give that action line to give the location of the spine or the movement in this case. Adding the fins, straightforward sketching right now. Again, sometimes I'll use one action with my pencil and sometimes several sketches, and I'll go back. It's really flat fish is very easy to learn. Anybody can do this one, even your grandma or grandpa for sure. There's the eyeball in there. Okay, let's shade that in a little bit more, get a little bit darker. Always remembering when I go back, I end up tending a little darker each time, going over it. Let's get the little eyebrow on there and showing that other eyebrow on the other side there. I'm making them a little darker. And you'll see this one at the end of the video once again, all inked in color. I inked my illustrations in Illustrator and I airbrushed them in Photoshop. I have one video on how I actually had created the inking and the Photoshop in there. Okay, that's looking good. I'll have more of those as well to share my techniques and tricks, how I work on my inking. But this is one of 49 other fish that I put in a drawing book. It's really, really fun. I enjoy this one. Okay, it's actually going to be in one of my cartoon series that I'm working on too. Alright, let's get the little lines on there, and that's where the color is going to be on that pattern right there. Yeah, there we go. Let's get the other one through the eye. Yep, great. Now just shading that in. Remember, some of our tips we showed before is those how to sketch. This is those little speed lines. I just shoot them right down one at a time. The tighter they are, the darker the line. Further away, the more lighter it looks. Try and just balance it. This is just a sketch. I don't really am too concerned if it goes above or beyond those areas where it looks like it needs to hold in. Just about there. And let's get the top one now. There we go. Oop. Okay, here we go again. Okay, just readjusting my hand. Alright. And yeah, there we go. Shade the bottom, little fin on the other side to give dimension, and the eyebrow and the back fin, that's going to be a darker color, as well as sign your name now. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish